Hello, welcome to Classroom TV. Are you looking for Ramani today? Well, you have to bear with me. I am going to talk about limericks. What is a limerick? Any guesses? Well, a limerick is a humorous poem with 5 lines, where the first, second, and fifth lines rhyme with each other. Also, the third and fourth lines are shorter, rhyme with each other as well. But remember, the humor in a limerick is not too loud, it is subtle. Here is a traditional nursery rhyme that happens to be a limerick. Hickory dickory dock, hickory dickory dock. The mouse ran up the clock struck 1, the mouse ran down. Hickory dickory dock, hickory dickory dock. What's funny here? The mouse ran up and ran down. It ran up for something. When the clock hit 1, it got scared and it ran down again. That was funny, right? Did you like it? Let's look at another limerick, a popular limerick written by Edward Lear. There was an old man with a beard who said, "It is just as I feared. 2 owls and a hen, 4 larks and a wren, have all built their nests in my beard." You see, they have all built their nests in his beard. The beard was so long that the birds could build their nests in his beard. How did he bear that? That was so funny, right? So I hope you liked this as well. Look up, I'm here. Now that you are familiar with what a limerick is, let's create our own limericks for the characters and story of our textbook. Oops, where is the teddy? Where did he? Oh, here he is, you see? So funny, just like our Ammu. You know Ammu, you remember Ammu from the main character from our textbook, English textbook? Ammu the little girl and Bittu the little squirrel. You know how Ammu is? Ammu is little. Ammu is funny. Ammu is playful, just like you. Ammu is always running. Ammu likes pets. Ammu takes the pets for a walk. Ammu plays with her pets. And there's Bittu as well. How is Bittu? Bittu is a little cute squirrel. He has 3 stripes on his back. Bittu has very soft fur. He's so tender.
Jansi, you are forgetting that it has a bushy tail.
Yeah, right. It has a very bushy, cute tail. I wish I could squeeze its tail. But you cannot, it'll hurt it. It'll hurt the little squirrel. Anyway, let's move on to our limerick. Now, let's look at the limerick created by Ramani on our Ammu and Bittu. And let's give a rating how the limericks are. Pay attention. Ready or not? Here goes our first one. There is a pretty girl in our book tales with her hair tied up into pigtails. You know, Ammu was her name. Though it looks like nickname, she is definitely Ammu, little girl with pigtails. You like pigtails? So what is the humor here? Did you identify the humor? Okay, let's break down the limerick and identify how it is a limerick. It has 5 lines and it has a little humor. Is there a rhyming? Yes. All the lines were rhyming, especially the first, second and fifth lines were rhyming with each other. And you see, third and fourth lines were shorter and rhyming with each other. So what's the humor here? Did you get that? Ammu. Usually you think it is a nickname. But see, Ammu is her actual name. It's not her nickname, but it is her actual name. So who has an actual name as Ammu? That's funny, right?
Okay, how many marks are you going to give to this limerick, Janu?
So I would give Ramani for writing this limerick a 10 on 10.
Wow.
I liked it.
Party time for me now.
How do you like it? Give your rating. What? It's not about you now, it's about Bittu. Okay, let's move on to our next limerick, which is about Bittu. It was very naughty. There was a baby squirrel Bittu at the doorway, who lost its way, met little Ammu by the way. Doggy chased Bittu like a cop. Ammu ran after Doggy calling, "Stop!" Doggy stopped, Bittu hopped. Ammu made friends right away. How funny was it, right? Bittu was so scared when Doggy chased him up. So what happened here? What is fun? What is humor here? Like we talked before, it's very subtle. The events and the incidents that we see in the limerick themselves are the humor that we see. Did you get it? You liked it? Like the doggy chased the squirrel, Doggy stopped when Ammu asked her to stop, and Bittu hopped. Bittu is very jumpy, right? He keeps hopping. That's how Ammu made friends with Bittu. How did you make friends with your best friends?
By the way, Janu, you are not giving rating for this limerick.
Yeah, let's come to the rating part. So how is the limerick now about Bittu? Is it better than Ammu's? Definitely. I like Bittu's more than Ammu's. I like the jumping, the hopping, the chasing like cop, Ammu stopping and making friends with Bittu. I like this better than the previous one, which was Ammu's. Not that Ammu is not great, but I like Bittu more because he's a little jumpy. So on 10, what would you give for Bittu? I gave 10 already for Ammu. But this is more, so I'll give 15 on 10 for Bittu's.
Wow, how nice.
What is your rating? So how do you like this video without Ramani? You like me better than Ramani? Oh, Ramani is all getting pecky over this now. Okay, I won't take it over. Now, I hope and I know you like this better than Ramani, Ramani is gonna start chasing me like doggy chased Bittu now. I'm gonna run away. So before that, if you like this video, like, share and subscribe. And do not forget to hit that bell button. Okay?